Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to show you the best screen recorder for computer in 2024. This recorder is better because it's very simple for using and the video has high quality and also video size is small. This recorder you can use for for 15-minute record and this recorder software also have video editing tools. So let's start. I will show to you how to find, download and use this screen recorder. First, open your favorite browser on your computer and search for screen file. Okay, you will get this page and select first link screenfile.com. Click on this link. You will get this page here. First, sign up your account for free or sign in or continue with Google account. Okay, after creating account, you will get this page. And now here, just by clicking by this option, okay, this recorder option, just click by this option. So the recorder downloading and updating will be start. After download and update, recorder will be show on your computer. Okay, now I will show to you me downloaded this recorder. Okay, I don't want to download it again. I will show to you how to use it. Now I am also recording this video by this screen recorder. Just open this software on your computer. Okay, recorder is recording now. Okay. So just by clicking this record option, you can record your computer screen and you will see recording started. So now I want to show you some videos of me recorded by this screen recorder. I will show to your size of video and quality of video, how this recording is working very excellent. I recorded this video by the screen recorder. First, just watch or look at to the quality of video. Okay, quality of this video. Just look at this. And now just I want to show you size of this video. Okay, the size of this video is just 17 MB. Okay, but the quality is very high and very good. Okay friends, thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.